Hey, let me show you all gestures that you can use with JBL Live Beam free. So we can find them in this JBL headphones application. They are just right here. And as you can see, we've got single tap. This is actually the place of the sensor on the left and the right earbud. So on the left one, we can find a single tap. We can adjust the noise cancellation and ambient DOR. For the double tap, we got this talk through mode on off. And when you tap and hold, we'll activate the native voice assistant. Here we can also find the call control. So we've got a double tap to answer incoming call or hang up ongoing call. And when you tap and hold, we can reject incoming call or mute and unmute microphone during a call. And when we switch here, we can also get the volume control. Take a look. For the single tap, double tap, we can also get the playback control. So now we can change songs. And when we can also turn them off, and we'll only stay with the call controls. And it looks actually the same for the right one. So we can, for example, set here like the volume control, and on the left one you can stay with playback control, for example. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.